Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Samsung Galaxy A04s. And to do this we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers on this device with our fingers. If the sound is coming from two sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. So now let's try it out. There's basically two speakers on this phone, one right here, that's a phone call speaker, and one right here at the bottom, and that's the main speaker. So let's try playing the music now. As you can hear, the sound is coming from the bottom speaker only, and that's a mono speaker and not the stereo speakers on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.